Work energy theorem states that the work done on an object equal exchange in kinetic energy. Let's prove it. Let's consider a mass m. F is the force applying exerting on the mass m, moving the mass m by a distance dr, where r is the position vector. Therefore, the work done by force F on the mass m given by this formula dA equal F dot dr. This is the dot vector. Since F equal ma, a is the acceleration vector. Therefore, we have dA equal ma dot dr. But since the acceleration vector equal dv over dt, therefore we have dA equal m dv over dt dot dr. But v, the velocity vector, equal dr over dt, therefore plug dr over dt to be v into this formula. Then we have dA equal m dv dr over dt, which is equal m dv dv. Therefore, we have dA equal m dv squared over 2, because v dv equal dv squared over 2 equal, we bring m inside the derivative, m constant equal dmv squared over 2 equal dk, where k is mv squared over 2 kinetic energy. Done.